Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I will be starting with Risa floor. So here I will tell you how to model any structure or how to do the modeling of the any structure, and after modeling it we need to export it to Risa 3D for the analysis part. Even we can do the analysis here, but its main advantage is in the Risa floor you can do the modeling part very easily in comparison to the Risa 3D. So let me click on create a model floor plan 1. This is the floor plan 1, or you can simply write as ground floor. So this one is ground floor. After that, beam supported floor. Okay, now what will be the elevation of the floor? 3 meter. Rest is okay. Click on OK. After that, the project grid lines will start at 0 and let me start the project grid lines at 20 grids at the rate of 5 meter each. 20 will be much more. 5 grids at the rate of 5 meter and 5 grid at the rate of 6 meter, or I can even write as one as, suppose one is 5 meter, second one is 6 meter, one is as 5 meter, second one is 7 meter. In this manner also we can write it. Okay, so in different way you can write it. Start level A, second one is in X direction, it will be 1. So apply, click on apply and OK. After that, as you can see here, 5, 6, 5, 7, and this one all are of 5. So this is what I have created the grids. So after the grids are being created, our next step is to see, I will show you by the help of this menu you can switch off and switch off the grid. After switching on the grid, I will now provide the columns. For that, click on draw columns. Let me provide the concrete column of M20 grade, typical design, rectangular, or I can also provide different kind of slab by clicking it here. Of suppose the column of 400 mm by 400 mm concrete is already selected here. I can even select of different, even I can provide the circular column in this manner. After that, gravity columns, okay. Lateral columns are actually provided in between the walls. In between the wall panel we will provide lateral columns, but gravity columns are provided and each and every portion where the load is being they will bear the load. After that, click on apply. Now I will provide the columns. First column, second column at 10 meter, at 20 meter, 7, 5. Suppose this one is our building. Okay, this one is what we have constructed. I can also delete this portion. Apply, close it. I can also delete all my grids as it's not necessary now in this manner, or I can also simply power it off. So this is how. After that, right click it. If you want to exit or come out of anything, you can simply right click it. After that, what I need to do is I will join the grids. Sorry, I will join the columns. And by in order to join the columns, what I will do is first I will provide the walls, draw or modify. Remember that we have to go in a serial fashion from one by one. Columns I have provided, now we'll provide the walls. Walls, base level, top level is ground floor, okay. Masonry walls, okay. Wall panel, these are the wall panels, so wall prefix. Gravity walls, okay. Apply it. right click it, then again you can draw it. Because if you will not right click, then this menu arises. Simply right click it, such as now I need to draw from here to here. Right click it, then from here draw it. Right click it, draw it. Right click it, draw it. This is how we need to construct. Again after that, right click it. So this is what we have created, the ground floor. I can also show you in 3D view by going it here and full model. This is what we have created. Even you can right click it, go to the toggle window grid, or go to the recall last, or you can simply go to this model display option. After going to this model display option, you can check it here, rendered view, and from 180% click as 100% and click on apply. After that, again click on render here, click on 800% apply. So this is what everything is now created. Now click on OK. So this is what we have created, the so this is what we have created, the drawing. After that, what you can do is we can click on this part, then this menu arises. After that, click on beams. Now I need to, suppose I want to draw beams of concrete M20, rectangular, or of any shape I want to draw. I can go to the explicit shape and I can draw of any shape. After that, I can click on apply. First you need to select this one, keep span continuous as drawn, and apply. Let me go to the 3D view again. As you can see here, now my beams are being provided. In the similar manner, we will provide beams everywhere. Now we will provide beams. Now let me go again to the 3D model and show you. So this is what we have created, the house along with the beam columns and walls. After that, what you need to do is you need to draw the diaphragms. You can go to the ground floor and you need to click on this pencil and you can draw, the beams are created. After that, you can go to the diaphragm, or you can generate the infill beams in between. If you want beams, then you can click in this generate in beams in infill. Suppose I will click it here and I will draw equal number of spacing as 3. Apply. This space it will divide it into 3. I'll simply click it. See, 1 2 3. So this is how the beam got created. Let me show you in the full model. See, this one is what the beam got created. But as I have selected here not the concrete, so they have created the beams of steel. Such as, suppose I have clicked it here and I have not changed this material as well as this material, so they have created Fe410 steel beams. So this is how we can create the infill beams. Now after that, we can create on this create or modify diaphragm slab perimeter. After that, this one is the overhanging distance of like 100 mm overhanging distance. Then consider all selected beams walls for the diaphragm. Consider the beams walls to be considered for the diaphragm. Box the beam. Okay. Apply it. This one is the box which is created for the diaphragm. So this one will be the slab. Right click it. So this one is the diaphragm which is created. Okay, now let me click on assign diaphragm age and deck properties. Click it here, concrete deck. Okay, click on apply concrete deck. So this is what I have provided, the concrete deck. It means I have provided the floor along with the it means I have provided the roof slab. Along with that I have done the meshing, that I can show you from here. Like this one is the meshing done. Okay, after meshing is being done, now the everything is now over. Now what I will do is I will provide the load over that. Suppose I will be providing the line load point to point. Okay, start location of shed, nothing is required. Apply all selected member and walls. Apply load by drawing point to point. Okay, it's okay. Now I will be drawing the load, preload and dead load, pre, dead load, post. So dead load is post construction. How much is the magnitude? Minus of 10. Here also minus of 10. Okay, now click on apply. After that I will click it from here, 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 here. In this manner we have applied the load of 10 kilonewton. So this is how we have applied the load. After the load is applied, we can also even assign the point loads. Okay, you can also make the copy of the current selected part of the model to the different floor. After that, even you can check the units by going it here. All units are in this meter, and all these things are like metric unit, all units. After that you can go to the load combination and you can check for service load, dead load, all loads I have provided, strength, dead load and live load. So these are created by default. Here I don't have to like anytime apply for the different type of loads. So this is the main reason why it's very fast in comparison to the Risa 3D. After applying the load, I will check for the model. Like in 3D I will show you the model. So this is what we have created. Okay, even you can show the beam levels. Okay, show the pins. So in this manner you can check here different. You can also go to level. If I'll click it here, it will not show you the walls. Okay, it will not show you the columns. See, all columns are removed. It will not show you the beams. Transparency, fully make it opaque. Okay, so this is how we can construct any kind of structure. After that you can even click on floor. After clicking on floor, you can simply right click it and create new floor. after creating new floor, you can do one thing. You can simply copy the ground floor and write here as first floor. So this is how we can copy the full. Now let me check in the 3D view full model. As you can see here, now the ground floor is being copied to the first floor. So hope it's clear to all of you how we can create the buildings here. So hope it's clear to all of you. After that, we can go to the direct and we can click on the Risa 3D in order to import to Risa 3D or export it to Risa 3D. So thanks for watching my video. If there is any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it. Have a good day. Take care.